Drink okra soaked water and get 10 amazing health benefits. In this video, I will talk about the health benefits of okra soaked water. Drink the okra water to protect your body against 10 different diseases. To know all the details and recipe to prepare this drink, keep watching this video until the end. Before starting, I request you, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification about a new video. Okra is also known as lady's finger in English-speaking countries. The green pod found inside this vegetable is highly beneficial for the overall health of our body. Okra is grown and consumed in many parts of the world and highly regarded for its nutritional value. It can be prepared in various ways. It is a great source of vitamin and minerals for the body. Here are the 10 amazing benefits of drinking okra soaked water. Number 1. Prevents anemia. A person suffering from anemia can derive the benefits of this vegetable from its water. Okra water helps the body produce more red blood cells, which help to treat anemia. The water of okra contains many vitamins and minerals. Some of them are vitamin A, vitamin C and magnesium, which help in producing more red blood cells in the body. Number 2. Treats sore throat and cough. Okra water is also used to treat sore throat and severe cough. A person suffering from the sore throat and cough can consume okra water. Its antibacterial and antiseptic property will do their magic. Number 3. Regulate diabetes. Ladyfinger contains insulin-like properties, which are beneficial for the treatment of diabetes. Okra water juice helps to reduce sugar level in the blood. So consume okra juice regularly to control diabetes. Number 4. Help to treat diarrhea. Diarrhea is one of the most irritating health conditions one can suffer from it. It causes huge amount of water and essential mineral loss from the body. The water of okra is used in the treatment of diarrhea and it also helps to replenish the body. Number 5. Lower the cholesterol level. The plant contains a lot of soluble fiber, which can help the body to lower the cholesterol level. The regular consumption of this water can decrease the cholesterol level in the blood and protect your heart. Number 6. Provide relief from constipation. The same soluble fiber which can help to control cholesterol level in the blood also help to provide relief from constipation. It acting as a natural laxative. The fiber contained in okra bind with the toxin and ease the bowel movement. Number 7. Helps in improving immune system. The immune system helps the body fights against the various diseases such as cold and flu. Okra water contains high amount of vitamin C and antioxidant, which help to improve the immunity power of a person. Improve skin health. Regular consumption of okra water juice help to improve skin health. The antioxidant help to purify the blood and reduce the acne and other skin disease which are caused by the impurity in the blood. A clear skin equal as a beautiful skin. Number 9. Reduce asthma attack. The water of okra also reduce the chance of asthmatic attack and is of great benefit of person suffering from asthma. Number 10. Strengthen the bones. The health benefits of okra water helps to strengthen the bones. The folate offers the great benefits during the pregnancy for both mother and the child. It increases the density of the bones, resulting in stronger and healthier bones, and prevents osteoporosis. These are the top benefits of drink okra soaked water. So start using in your daily life. Finally, let's check out the recipe to prepare okra water. Take 4 pods of okra and cut off the end of the pods. Then simply cut them into small pieces. Take 1 glass of water and soak them into water and leave it for overnight. Next day morning, squeeze the pods into water and take them out. And finally, consume the water on empty stomach. Now let me know, are you going to try okra water? Write your answer in the comment section. If you like this information, please hit thumbs up button on the video to support us. You can share this information with your friends and family. Stay fit and thanks for watching this video.